Okay, so right now I want to talk a couple more things. Let's talk about more about lenses. You know, we've talked about the linear lens, the wide, super view, hyper view, those kind of things. There's also one more that's associated with linear, and that is linear plus horizon leveling and linear plus horizon lock. Now, horizon lock is the real deal. It's pretty cool. Now, you can only do it in 4K. You cannot do horizon lock in 5K. But let me show you something right now about horizon lock. I'm gonna shoot something on my iPhone here, just shooting the GoPro, but watch this. Okay, do you see that? That is keeping the horizon locked no matter how I turn the GoPro, which is awesome. So like if you're on a mountain bike or a dirt bike or a bicycle or something, you're going down a dirt path, it'll keep the horizon locked as you ride. Like right now I'm doing Steadicam. I've got the GoPro just in my hand, and now I'm going to turn it left. I've got it completely upside down, and now it's right side up. But the horizon stayed locked on me, right? And I didn't go upside down. So horizon lock is an absolute awesome feature, and definitely something that you want to use for time warp. So time warp is different than time lapse. Time lapse is when you want the camera kind of stationary. You're recording clouds, recording the stars, you know, that kind of thing. Time warp is a time lapse, but when the camera is moving, and typically straight ahead is the best shot. But you can do horizon lock with time warp, and it'll produce footage like this. Okay, pretty cool, right? Now, again, the real applications or times that I use that are like if I'm on a ski lift. You know, you've seen shots in my videos where I'm on ski lifts and it's kind of fast forwarding, going up the ski lift, you know, that kind of thing. Those are all shot with time warp. And time warp is definitely something everyone needs to learn, practice, and utilize. Hope this has been informational.